I'm Chris Henderson from Henderson Tile. I just wanted to do a video recording of our most recent tile job that we completed in West Van, that are completing here in West Van, just to showcase our workmanship and quality. I hope you enjoy. So I'm going to start in the master shower closet. It's a pretty large walk-in closet. We did all the tile on the floor here. It's a 12 by 24 rectified tile. So we come into the shower part of it. We have the tub deck, double-sided fireplace, the shower itself with an inlay. And here we have an inlay in the floor, which we did as well. Did the whole wall here. Here we have the shower. Shower basin, which we did all the mortar beds for as well as the shower curbs. You may notice we used no Schluters at the request of the designer. We mitered all of the corners, on the outside corners. And now I'll walk into the master bedroom. Beautiful ocean view. It's a little foggy today, so unfortunately we can't see it. Here we have the opposite side of the fireplace. I guess they had hardwood wrapped above and below the tile that we did. And you can see the corners. The cuts are pretty much perfect. So I'll take you downstairs now, to the main floor. The whole house on the inside is about 7,000 square feet. So we'll go into the living room. Here we have a feature wall, which we did, all in stone. Double-sided fireplace again, mitered corners, stone tile. May look like cracks in the stone, it's actually not, it's part of the design of the stone. Mitered corners, a lot of work, but turned out really nice in the end, I think. Wraps around into the library, and here we have the opposite side of the fireplace. So here we have a backsplash we did for the wet bar. It's like a metal tile. We have a huge patio area out here, a few thousand square feet. Undecided right now if it's going to be tile or wood. Here's another fireplace which we did, all in stone. You can see the outside corner. Sunken living room. Here we have the kitchen. We've done a portion of the backsplash. We're just waiting for some changes to be made to the range hood before we can finish it. Here's a portion which we did. You can see the plug there. It needs to be covered, which needs to be done still. Huge island. Now we'll go down into the infrared sauna room. We did all the stairs here as well, all in tile. Carries through into a washroom here, straight into the sauna. It's all still being worked on. I think they just have to finish the cedar. Here we have a shower, pebble shower basin, 12 by 24 tile again. This one's with a sort of like a wood grain finish to it. Goes up the center of the accent pebble onto the ceiling. Let's see. Here we have the laundry room. Just a subway tile here, I think a 4 by 12 or 4 by 16. So this one's one of the boys' bedrooms. Turn on the light here. So here we have the shower, double border, no Schluter, wall-to-wall tile. See, the tile goes to the ceiling, and the border carries exactly above the countertop to act as a backsplash as well. I'll try and do a close-up here. So here you can see the tiles flush as can be, and then the accent of this one protrudes out a little bit. Typically we keep them flush, but the design of this tile called for it to be a little bit different of a look. We did the girls' washroom as well, which is similar, so I'll pass that one for now. Here we have a powder room. Did a feature wall in here, all in tile. Floor as well, a tile inlay around the hardwood. A couple other rooms on this floor. I'll try and maybe just go to the downstairs, speed it up a little bit. We did the entire entry here as well. Unfortunately, you can't see the tile. It's a 12 by 24 soapstone, a soft stone. Here we have another washroom, which we did an inlay to line right up with the countertop. Floor to ceiling tile, and once again a shower basin and curb. All designs picked out by the designer with our input, of course. Just a mud room, all tile. Here we have a tile fireplace, travertine tile, outside corner mitered. Once again, you know, pretty much perfect edges. We've done a few other rooms in this house. I'm going to bypass them for now and go into the final project of the house, which is the pool, where I have Cole working hard as usual on getting the deck of the pool done. We're going to be doing the hot tub in the pool as well. 12 by 24 tile. We created a slope here just so all the water drains into the pool. It's an existing pool, so there was a lot of damage done to the previous one, which we repaired. Hope you enjoyed our walkthrough, and look forward to hearing from you. You can see my website at www.hendersontile.ca. Thank you very much.